up, everybody? It's September 11th, 2018. On today's episode of the Rim Vlog, it's our annual fishing trip. It's a little gloomy right now, but the sun should be up really soon. Well, the sun's already up, but the sun should peek through the clouds any minute, and we're hoping for a great day. We've arrived at the bait station. This is where we pick up a few fish. 1, 2, 3. Well, there's a lot of them. There's some sea lions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They always come over and try to steal our fish. There's a ton of them. There's some babies over here just hanging out in the net. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 babies right over here. We've come across our first dolphins. Here's my friends. All right, so we're in the midst of a huge dolphin pod right now. There's a bunch jumping out of the water right here. We're circling around now to catch up with this pod. There's tons of them. Got started so far, and we've already seen probably about 500 plus dolphins. They're still swimming all along the boat. All along here. I can go to the front and go right on top of them. These dolphins are amazing. That one just hit the camera. I hit him right on the back. Sorry, buddy. Alright, so we've made it to Catalina. Unfortunately, we did not catch any fish. However, we did see a giant pot of dolphins who we hung out with for a while, and that to me is always worth it. We'll give the whole fishing thing another shot tomorrow morning. But we're in Catalina Island now, so we're gonna get our drink on, maybe jump in the water a little bit, and have some fun. We are heading into dinner, and we have a little boat pickup coming in right now. Tonight we're going to Steve's Steakhouse and Seafood for dinner. You're not making a nest, and you're not really taking out the right shit. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. So far, I have not thrown up. This is completely unexpected. So this little patch thing that we got, maybe it's a trick. From now on, I'm a patch person because this thing has been great. I haven't thrown up. I haven't felt queasy. I can't even explain to you how nice it is to be out in the open ocean and not throw up. So from now on, my future is with this thing because it works like magic. Now, day 2, let's go and catch some fish. Not having any luck yet finding fish. But look at it out here, it's beautiful. And I'm not throwing up, so it can't get too much better than that. Once you get a little bit better, we'll start catching fish. Looks like we're catching everything now except the type of fish you want to try to catch.
Maybe? Yeah. Is there a fish in a fish?
Yeah, the big one.
Disgusting.
Make no rest and I'm on the fucking Flamingos on the break.
Be happy, don't worry, be happy now. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Landlord say your rent is late. He may have.
So yesterday we saw a bunch of common dolphins. Today swimming alongside us we have bottlenose dolphins. We're still out here trolling the waters, looking for some fish, but there seems to be, just up ahead, a lot of splashing going on. There's a couple spots, it seems like they're jumping out of the water for no apparent reason. Alright, so I'm pretty sure, just from this angle, it looks like it's Risso's dolphins, which kind of, we encountered them last year, they kind of look like they could be a mix between a whale and a dolphin. And that seems to be the action going on right over here. That concludes our fishing trip. We had a good time. We didn't catch any fish that we were able to keep. We did see a pod of bottlenose dolphins. We saw a pod of Risso's dolphins, and we also saw a huge pod of the common dolphins to go along with probably about 20 to 30 different sea lions. So we got to see a lot. We just didn't catch anything that we could take home. So it was a successful trip. And on that note, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and then subscribe again. Make sure you're subscribed. Until then, we'll see you in the next vlog. See ya!